Today we are going to learn how we create multiple frames on a single window, right? Let's start with the window creation. So the start here, you need to just start with the frame. Just type here frame set, right? So here we use the frame set tag and just close the frame set tag here like this. Frame set, understood? And after that you want to just subdefine this particular frame set into multiple columns or multiple rows. So here we want to just try to divide the particular web page into 3 frames. So just type here rows, 3 rows, right? And just type is equal to, and you can decide the ratio for the particular section of the rows. Just type here 20%, comma 60%, comma 20%. So here we get only the 3 rows of our frame set, and we have to define particular frame length. Just click on this. Whatever you want to show in the top frame, you have to just type your frame, and SRC is the source of your file. You can choose here 1.gif and just press space and type the name of this frame. So here we just type the top frame. So here the name is top. Similarly, close this frame. Again, just start the second row frame. Just type here frame. Again, type SRC. SRC means source of the image or file. So just type here 2.gif and double encode and space and just type the name mid frame, and again close this frame, and again just type here the third frame details. Just type, press enter, and again
Yes,
use
sir.
frame tag SRC and just type here 3.gif. And after that, just keep in mind we should always write the particular file name within the particular frame in double quotes, right? And just type your name is equal to bottom and close this frame here again, frame, and just save this. Just save this and just check the output of that particular file. So here we have the output. You just refresh this window. Is it visible here?
No, sir. It's not visible.
Okay, just see there. When we press F5, you will get the refresh content here. So there, just see there. Here we have the 3 frame. This is the top
Yes,
frame.
it's visible.
Here the second frame, that is the mid frame, and here the bottom frame, right? You can change the particular frame file by changing the code. So you have to just move on again on your coding. Just click on and click on share and just choose here the file. So here we choose here G JPG format image. You can also change the format of your image. JPG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group, and GIF stands for Graphic Interchange Format, right? Both these types of
Yes,
image
sir.
format will support with the web page, right? As in web page. So again, just after saving this, just move on the screen of your web page and you will get the output like this, and just refresh this. Just see there a top image coming at the top. Just see there, this is the 1.gif image that show in the top of your screen. Just see there, this is the top screen. Okay, and this is the second one, this is the second one, and this is the third one, right? Is it visible or not here?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay, you can also divide this particular frame, or you can link with the another HTML file. For example, if we don't give any address in this particular section, just see there, we just sharing the code. Just click on this. So here we have deleted here the address of this frame. Just save this frame and again move on our web page to analyze the output and press F5. What happens? Just see there, the middle frame becomes blank. Why? Because there is no link of any file. That's why it's showing blank. It is showing blank, right? Similarly, if you go through the next coding, just move on here and again click on here and again just remove this, you will get the blank screen as the last frame as well. Just move on here and click on this and just share it and press F5 to see there. Last frame also becomes blank. Why? Because he will delete the file link. Understood? You can also
Yes, sir.
link the HTML file. For example, if you have an HTML file, you want to just link at the bottom or at the top, you can go through this option. Just see there. Here we just type here one.html and we need to create a one.html file. So just move on here and just type here HTML, right? And we just write here some coding at the for the one.html, and after saving this you will get the output on your web page. So just write, I'm just writing here the code for the first.html. Okay, so you don't need to type here, you have to take another notepad file and just type the bottom coding, and then you will get the result in the string, right?
Yes, sir.
And just type here uh, at center tag and just type here www.svsdti.com. We use your center tag. Why? We want to just align it this center. That's why we just type here center tag, and we want to just center heading and just type for H1 for the heading style one. You can apply this heading style like this H1 and close this heading. And again, just press enter. You can separately observe the text like this. So here we have the code for the next one.html file. Just cut this file, cut this coding from here, Control X, and open the new file. Just open new file like this and save. Save this and just paste it. Right. And again, you need to just save this file. Save
I
as.
can't see the notepad.
Is it not visible? Just wait. After saving, it will.
Sir.
Right. Just type your one.html on the desktop or the same location. Just see here. It is the another file coding. Is it available? You can observe here. Just see there. Is it visible or not?
Yes, sir. It's now visible.
Write the one.html file and just save this. After saving this, you just move on your observation. Just click on web page and click on share and just press F5 to see there. It is coming at the top, right? It is our top frame. You will get the one.html content at the top frame, right? If you want to just change the background of this, you need to change the coding of your one.html file. Just see there. If you want to change the background, you want to just give the color for the background red. Just type your body tag and type your BG color and just type what? You just type here what red, or just type here red, double and code, and just type here next code, that is text, it will be white. So just type white and close the body tag. And at the last, you need to just close this again, body tag. Okay, you need to just fulfill the formality. So you have to write here head tag, very well. If you want to show the particular content on the title frame, you need to just type here some title code head, and this we use title tag. Just type here www.svsdti.com and again close it title. Clear, and just save this and just observe the changes in our web page. Just move on here. Coding is visible here. As it is the coding.
Yes, sir. The coding is visible.
And after that, just move on our web page and just refresh it. Press F5, just see there. The top screen become what? Red.
Red.
If the color orange, you just type the on the place of red, just type orange. You get the color orange on the top screen. Orange. Right. Just see the code here. This is the code. So here we have to change the value of BG color. That's why we just get the orange color on the screen of your web page. Just press and share and press F5, right? And at the bottom, you want just the green color. So we need to just again make the new file. Just see there. We don't change anything here, but only we change the color here. The first .html, just see there. This is the coding. And just change here only the green color, nothing more than that. We just get the all the content at the bottom as well, but different color, different background color. And just save this file again with the 2.html. That is the second file as we call in the bottom frame. Just click on save as and type 2.html. 2.html. This is my second file, right? And after closing that, or just move on here, web page screen and press F5. What happened? Just refresh it. First, just save this content. You need to save this file by using Control S, and we have to some change in what, in the frame set code, right? Frame code. So we have to open what file? Which file? We have to open the frame.html file. Frame.html file here. Just type here all file. Frame.html file is available there. This is the file and click on open. Right. So here we have. Is it visible here? Frame set file or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's visible.
Just type here 2.html, 2.html, and just save this by using Ctrl S, and you will get the green color in the this frame, this area. This is green color at the bottom, right? You can also take another file as a third file, and you can also give the color for the mid frame and whatever you want. The text you can move on that. So here we just again open the notepad file again. Just move on here and click on coding and open the again the second .html. Just click on this, open, and show all the file and choose 2.html and click on open. You will get the file. Here we will need to change only the color. Here we just choose your blue color or just type yellow color, right? And after that you can also write here some text. This is, or just type your Jai Hind. Okay, and save is as a third file, 3.html. Just click on save as and just type here 3.html, 3.html. So here we have the three file. We just call all the three files with the different frames, right? So we need to just change the code of the frame. So again, we have to open what? We have to open the frame set file and we have to put the address there, right? Just see there.
Yes, sir.
Click on open frame and open here, and we have to put the address, that is the 3.html, 3.html. And after putting this, keep in mind .html, don't miss the dot. And after that, html, small html, and just save this file. After saving this, is it visible? Frame is visible or not here?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, so just move on the web page and click on share and press F5. The serial third file coming at the center, that is Jai Hind, right? Understood? So by
Yes, sir.
this option, by this frame set, we will just control the number of frames. So today we have learned here the how can we divide the particular web page screen into multiple frames. Okay, and how can we call the particular file in the particular frame with the help of frame src tag. Understood?
Yes, sir.